Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering your source photo and any alternate shots. Pick the highest resolution available so scaling won't degrade detail. Then, import everything into your timeline and set the project frame rate and color space to match your footage. This avoids flicker and color shifts later. Next, create labeled bins for photos, clips, masks, and assets so you can find elements quickly. Once done, you're ready to place the primary image on the timeline and lock its track as your base. You now align the photo to the moving footage, track the plate using point or planar tracking, then apply that motion to the photo layer so it follows perspective. This prevents floaty, unnatural composites. Make precise adjustments with corner pin and scale until edges sit correctly. After motion, match exposure and color. Use color match tools, selective curves, and a subtle film grain or blur to equalize sharpness differences. Make sure shadows and highlights read in the same direction, because viewers notice mismatched lighting immediately. You finish by refining edges and final integration. Mask any stray pixels, feather at 1.5 pixels depending on resolution, and add a micro displacement or edge blur to remove hard cut lines. Then render test segments using a high-quality codec and check on multiple displays for color consistency. If something looks off, troubleshoot systematically, rerun tracking, recheck transform alignment, or add synthetic shadow/reflection to ground the photo. Finally, export the full sequence and archive project assets with clear versioning so you can iterate later.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.